Good luck sa exam. See you later.
Sila pa rin yan sa kanya.
Kaya nga.
Walang sira eh.
Good morning. Hi Grace, good morning. How's your morning?
Morning, Madam Birds.
Kala ko kasama.
Good morning. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Uy, may pa-video pa. Bye.
Good luck, Gagi.